Neighbors Award was chosen by all of the participants plus our supporters who gave us their email address. So, Leanna, take it away here. Excuse me, I'm sorry to do that. By the way, Leanna and her husband and her friend Barb Cinco made these wonderful awards from Piston Parts.
Pistons, car parts, rotors. Yeah, they're made from car parts that we got donated to us from Callahan's. And so we put them all together into what I think is a kind of an attractive trophy. Something different and unusual. I mean, I could have bought a trophy easier, but this is more fun, right?
Yeah. Very nice.
Okay. So our first winner is in the vintage category, and it's car number 28. Does anybody know their car numbers? It's on your little...
28.
Is that 28? Well, come on.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Do you want to say something about it? Tell us what your car.
Can you tell us a little bit about your car, please?
1971 Buick Riviera boat tail, and it was found in a barn. It sat there for 32 years, and when I got it, I went through it and put it the way it is today.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank